Hello students, today I will be taking your value irrigation class of class 1, okay, and the chapter I was doing chapter number 5, a day in the park, and today I will do the exercises. All of you open page number 32. Page number 32, and you can see the exercises over there. They are saying tick the correct options to complete the sentences. Number 1. Cookie goes to the park with her mother or father because she is a small child, B naughty child. So, Cookie goes to the park with her mother or father because she is a small child. A small child, isn't it? Small child. Number B. The boy waits, number 2. Number 2. The boy waits for his turn because he is a option A lazy boy or option B responsible boy. What do you think? The boy waits for his turn because he is a option B responsible boy, isn't it? Responsible boy. So, the boy waits for his turn because he is a responsible boy. Number 3. Cookie's mother asks Cookie to stand away from the swing because she may option A get hurt or option B climb onto it. So, what will be the correct option? Cookie's mother asks Cookie to stand away from the swing because she may option A get hurt. Get hurt, isn't it? Number 4. So, number 3 is Cookie's mother asks Cookie to stand away from the swing because she may get hurt. Number B. Cookie climbs the slide up the sloping slide. Cookie climbs the slide up the sloping side. This shows that she is what? Now, option A patient child or option B an impatient child. What is the correct option? Cookie climbs the slide up the sloping side. This shows that she is option B an impatient child. An impatient child, isn't it? An impatient child. Number 5. Every child will get a turn on the swing if they option A fight for it, option B wait for it. What will be the correct option? Every child will get a turn on the swing if they wait for it, means option B wait for it, isn't it? Wait for it. So, you can see first one is option A, that is small child. Second one option B, that is responsible boy. Number 3 option A is get hurt. Number 4 option B, that is an impatient child, and number 5 option B wait for it. Okay. Now come to page number 33. Let's discuss about this. Number 1. You are in the park and you are eating a banana. After finishing it, where will you throw the peel? Options A on the ground or option B in the dustbin. What will you do? You will definitely throw it in the dustbin. That is option B in the dustbin, isn't it? Number 2. You want to play on the swing, but there is a long queue. What would you do? Option A stand in queue and wait for your turn, or option B push other children and take your turn. What will you do? You should obviously choose option A, that is stand in a queue and wait for your turn, isn't it? Now come to number 3. You are playing cricket with your friends at the park and other children want to join you. What would you do? Option A ask them to join the game, or option B tell them to play somewhere else. What would you do? You would definitely choose option A, isn't it? Ask them to join the game. Okay. So, and and also you will draw smiley against the correct option. Now turn to page number 34. Now turn to page number 34. As you can see at the bottom of means this part you can see there are remembrance part. Page number 34, let's read the points. Okay. Number 1 point, never go to the park alone, isn't it? If you are small child, isn't it? So you will never go to a park alone. Always take your mother and father or any kind of elder person with you. Okay. Point number 2, wait for your turn at the swings. So from this story we have already learned that we should wait for the turn in the swing, otherwise we will get hurt, isn't it? Point number 3, do not talk to strangers. We must not talk to any strangers in the park or in anywhere else with the persons we do not know. Okay, so with the persons you do not know, never talk with any kind of such persons. Okay. Point number 4, stand at a safe distance from the swing and other rides. You should always stand at a safe distance because the swing is go up and like swinging, so you may get hurt if you stand very close to the swing. So you should always stay in a distance from the swing or any kind of other rides you will find at the park. And point number 5, do not make the park untidy or pluck leaves and flowers, isn't it? So you can find that there are lots of like beautiful things in a park. Do not harm them. Do not pluck any flowers from them, and try to make the park clean and tidy. If you eat something there, do not throw in the field, throw that in the dustbin, isn't it? So from this chapter we learned these points. Keep it in mind. Okay. So the chapter is completed and the next chapters I will do in your next classes. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.